Hello everyone, this is Said from Tech Biscuit, and today we're going to talk about Android 11. So yesterday Google released Android 11 for Pixel phones and a few other smartphones like OnePlus, Realme, Xiaomi and Oppo. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the new features that Android 11 brings on my Pixel 4 XL. Let's get started.
As you can see, there's a new reset page in which you can see a screenshot button and a select button. Now, if you press the select button, it will start highlighting all the text and you can press on any highlighted text to copy it, or you can share that text directly from there, or you can just Google search it. Now there's a screenshot button as well. If you press it, it will take a screenshot and give you some options like edit the screenshot or share the screenshot as it is. The screenshot animation is similar to iOS if you have ever seen it. You can draw over the screenshot, you can crop or highlight anything or save it in your gallery. Next up is the conversation notification. In Android 11, it automatically categorizes your notification into conversations for messaging apps, notification for general apps and so on, which is easier to navigate your notification and doesn't look cluttered in my opinion. If you have ever used Facebook Messenger, you might be familiar with this feature called bubbles. When activated, a small avatar or bubble shows up on your screen, which is visible no matter what app you're using. Tap on the avatar and it will open a small window for you to read and send new messages in that thread without opening in the full app. In order to activate bubbles for a conversation, tap on the small bubble icon in the bottom right corner of the notification. You can drag the bubble around your screen or just drag it to the bottom of the screen to delete it. Finally, Android 11 can do screen recording without using a third-party app. You can access the screen recording feature from the quick settings panel in the notification shade, but out of the box the screen recorder button isn't there, so you need to add the screen recorder button from the quick setting edit menu. When you tap on the start recording button, it will show you a small pop-up menu in which you can see you can record the audio from the microphone, or if you have external mic or any other source of recording, you can use that. And the other option is show touches on the screen, which will highlight the touches on the display wherever you'll tap. Okay, so this is one of my favorite Android 11 features, which is the new native notification history section. It is pretty much exactly what you expect. Anytime you swipe away a notification by accident, you can quickly hop over to this page and pull it back from there. Although there's one catch, for some reason Android 11's notification history option isn't enabled by default, so you need to enable it. After tapping it, you'll have a complete list of every notification you've gotten over the past 24 hours. So media player controls appear in the quick setting panels by default now. So you can take control of your playlist and even switch the audio to a different connected device like a Bluetooth speaker by dragging two fingers down from the top screen, and the mini player still appears on the lock screen as normal, so you can control the media from there as well. Also, you can turn off this feature from the settings itself. In Android 11, pressing and holding your phone's power button now pulls up a whole new menu of smart device controls. Everything from internet connected lights, thermostats in your home or office to cameras in your house that you can check during the day. There's also an oversized presence of your Google Pay connected credit cards on the screen, and if you keep multiple credit cards, all of them will show up there and you can flip through them easily. And if you want to edit any tile or remove them, you can easily do that. Tap the three dot menu icon on the upper right area of the screen and you can either add controls or edit controls. Android 11 also brings new gesture settings in which there will be two sliders now. One is for the left one and the other one is for the right edge side. Android 11 also brings some permissions updates like one-time permissions, auto reset permissions for unused apps, and more. So whenever your app requests permission related to location, microphone, or camera, the dialog contains an extra option now, which is called only this time. So if the user selects this option in the dialog, your app is granted a temporary one-time permission. And auto reset permissions option is for those apps that aren't used for months. The system will protect users' data by automatically resetting the sensitive permissions. So when you will install Android 11, you'll see a prompt asking you to enable app suggestions on the home screen. Essentially, the new app suggestions will replace the dock on your phone, leaving it up to your phone to swap apps in and out on the bottom row or dock on your phone based on which apps you use at certain times of the day. The apps have a glowing border around them, letting you know your phone added them and frequently change when you return to your home screen as you use your phone. You can lock press on any app to pin the app, or you can also block the apps from showing in your suggestion if you don't want them. Sometimes we are in a hurry and place our phone on a wireless charger misaligned. But Android 11 is here to take care of that by giving you a warning. You'll get a brief pop-up on your lock screen if your device isn't quite aligned correctly on a wireless charger with compatible Pixel devices. So this feature is only for Pixel devices as of right now. So let's talk about Android 11's last feature, which is the new Easter egg. Yes. So if you'll tap the Android 11 version, you can see there's a lime green dial. You can rotate the dial clockwise 3 times, returning to its original position each time. On the third time, you'll able to turn past the 10th dot and it will come on the 11th, which will activate a small CAD game which you can access it from the power menu. So that's it. These are the all new features that you will see in Android 11. And if I've missed anything, you can tell me in the comments below.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.